Intertools is the first DIY value comparison site. Compare price, service and availability from leading UK retailers.
Today's product is the Senator DIY Decorator's Paintbrush. Links in the description below. Let's get started. This range of straight painted wooden handle paintbrushes from Senator are the easy way to achieve impressive results at an affordable price. Possessing chrome-plated lapped and pressed steel ferrules which hold long natural bristles, the paintbrushes are available for purchase in a variety of different sizes. The handle is finished in a blue colour and all products are suited for professional and recreational uses, with an emphasis on use for decorating. The features and benefits include the following: an ergonomically designed wooden handles for improved grip and comfort. It has chrome-plated pressed steel ferrules for resistance to wear and tear, and long natural bristles provide a smooth finish with minimal brush marks, and it is available in a range of sizes and specifications to suit your needs. The typical applications are the following: DIY enthusiasts, painters and decorators, carpenters, construction workers and hobbyists. Senator is a manufacturing company who sell a wide variety of products such as hand tools, power tools, cutting tools, fasteners, abrasives, welding, brazing, soldering and etc. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.